Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how you can use SwiftChat for your bulk WhatsApp marketing. Let's go to a new tab and search for SwiftChat Chrome extension. The first link that you receive will move to Chrome Web Store. Clicking Add Chrome button, the Chrome extension will be added to your extensions list. It will take a couple of seconds to download. Once it is added, you'll be able to start using it. So this is the instructions that you can follow. Just click this extension button and pin SwiftChat Chrome extension, and now you will be able to use SwiftChat. By clicking this button, you'll be able to see the login page first. Enter the phone number that you want to register into and click sign in. If you are outside of India, you can just enable this and you can use your phone number or email as well. Let me enter and click this sign in button. You will be receiving an OTP message to your phone number. Just by clicking sign in, now you will be able to sign into your SwiftChat. So this is an instructions. So here you have two columns. One is for entering your phone number and other is for entering your message. Just by typing your phone number, pressing enter, you will be able to send the message to that phone number. Let's say hi. Just like that, we have sent a message to this phone number. If you are supposed to add more phone numbers, you can directly type add multiple phone numbers. By clicking send, you will be able to send to all these phone numbers. Just like that, we have sent message to this both numbers. Along with this manual entering, you also have option for bulk entry. So you can upload an Excel sheet. So if you want to see the what format you want, you have to upload this Excel sheet. Just click this example button. It will direct to this spreadsheet. Here you see this is the main A column is the main column where you enter all the phone numbers. The rest of the columns are optional. If you want to enter, you can enter. If you don't, you can skip it. Just click the file button and download it. Once it is downloaded, it will be open like this. Remove all the extra content and give the phone numbers that you want to send the message to. If you want to enter these columns, that is up to you. If you don't, you can. Those are completely optional. So how it will help you, I'll show it in a bit. Now come back to the SwiftChat. Now what I'll do is upload this Excel sheet. Once it is uploaded, you see all the phone numbers will be added. Still, you are in control to remove these phone numbers, or you can add a new phone number like this. Now you can type the message, whatever that you want. What I'll do is I'll customize it according to my requirement. What I'll say is hi, Vamshi, for example, comma, you Today. At last, I'll send a message to. So what it will does is it will take each column. Message one is a column from this message one. Name is this column. So it will pick for this number, it will pick the name, hello, ABC. Okay, just by doing this, you will be able to send a custom message for each contact that you have added. Just click send button now. You will be able to send custom message to each phone number. You see, hello John, how are you doing today? ABC. So this information is came from these columns. This way, what will happen is you'll be able to skip from WhatsApp flagging you from spam. Additional to this customization, we also have an option to add time gap between each messages. Just by checking this button, you will be able to add time gap between each message. Or you can select the random which is recommended. It will add a time gap between 5 to 15 seconds. What we are trying to do here is we want to mimic a human-like behavior to avoid getting spammed. We also have additional options for sending in batches. So let's say we are sending 20 messages and we want to add a time gap between 20 messages, a 60-second time gap. Enter the time gap and start sending the message. After sending 20 messages, it will wait for 60 seconds and continue sending the rest of the message. You also have option for sending a scheduled message. So during the day, if you want to send these messages at, let's say for example 12 p.m. By adding the time here and clicking the schedule button, you will be able to send the messages at that particular time. Along with this, you have option to download the delivered report. You see here, you can see how many messages that we have sent, how many are delivered, how many have attachments attached to it. Here is the runtime, and here is the how much time it took to send the messages. Along with this, you also have option to change the languages here. If you need any technical support, click this chat support button and hit send. Along with all these features, you also have additional features like quick replies. So here you can add some custom quick replies that you are generally use. For example, let me add one to quick reply. Just by clicking this button, a message will be sent to that phone number. Along with this, we also have option to extract group contacts. Just go to the group that you are in and you'll see an option for export contacts. Just click this button and contacts will be exported in Excel format. These are all the phone numbers that are in the group. Now, if you want to send attachments, what you can do is just click this attachment button, select the image or file that you want to send, and click open. Just by clicking send, you will be able to send the attachment to them. If you want to send the attachment, the message underneath that, what you can do is first select the attachment you want to send and select add caption button. Now start typing your message. Click send. Now you will be able to see an image with the text underneath that. If you need any technical support, just click the support button and contact us in WhatsApp. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our phone number on our WhatsApp.